Hello everyone, welcome back and thank you for watching. Today I will be making some very easy Dollar Tree DIYs. I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and if you do, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and don't forget to hit the notification bell button so you can get notified every time I upload. With that being said, now let's craft. Starting with my favorite project, I will be using 3 of these Dollar Tree houses. Now they carry 4 different sizes, but I'm only using these right here. They carry like a shorter and a wider one. I'm not using that one though. I will save that for a later video. Now I'm going to remove the sticker because I will be using the back. Now the sticker did leave some glue residue, so I'm going to smooth it out with a piece of scent sheet. After that, I am going to take this apart, so I'm going to push the back until it pops off. The first one I tried to do, it did give me a little hard time, but I went back to it and I pushed harder and it did pop off. Now, when I popped the backs off, the paper was tearing down, so what I did is I just tore all the paper off from all 3 backs, which honestly, I think this made it look so much better. Once I was done doing that, I then used a piece of scent sheet to remove the rest of the paper from the little house frames. Before I started to paint my little houses, I did cut out the images I was going to use, and I did use my Cricut. Dollar Tree does carry different things that you can use, like poster sticker letters, word decals, and transfer sheets. I am using 2 different colors of vinyl, black and white. So for the black vinyl, I am painting the back of the little houses with some white chalk paint.
I don't know how you do it. You blow my mind without a word. Ooh, stuck upside down.
And for the white vinyl, I'm using a darker background, so I did mix the antique wax with black and chestnut and a little bit of water, which it made this beautiful color. Now I wanted this to look a little bit darker, so I did add a little bit of more black. For the houses, I am going to leave them the natural wood color. Starting with my first little house, I'm going to put Home Sweet Home. After I am done transferring this, I am going to add some of the Dollar Tree little transfer sheets, which is the ones that have like a whole bunch of little greenery stuff. I don't have the entire sheet. I only have pieces of them because I have used these a lot already, and I only have these left.
I might be dreaming. There's no way back now.
I am adding a little bit of that greenery to the other little leaves that are already on top of the home, which honestly, I should have never done that. I should have just left it like that.
Take every inch of my body. Wanna dance with you all night long. Dive in, babe, you know we can't stop this. Come on and show me what you got. 'Cause I don't care.
And now I'm going to just add the back on the little house frame, and I'm using some hot glue. After I was done gluing this, I looked at it one more time, so then I was like, something's missing. So I decided to add some more greenery to it, and I'm going to add it at the bottom of the word home, 1 on each side. And which I think it turned out so much better like this. And that is it for my first little house. For my second little house, I'm adding party of 4, which I almost added party of 5, and I didn't realize it until I was about to transfer to that. I was like, wait a minute, it's only 4 of us, not 5. I decided to incorporate the greenery transfer sheet on all three of my little houses. So for this one, I'm adding it on the 4.
Rather space out here next to you. Like I
And that is it for my second little house, which I think it turned out so beautiful. For my third little house, I'm adding the letter G and the last name Galvez. For the greenery, I'm going to add it on the G part. Now, this one, I accidentally removed it too quick, so I did mess up some of the greenery part, and I decided to try to fix it by removing the greenery part where I messed up and replacing it with other little pieces of greenery that I had. And honestly, I thought I had messed it up, but I did fix it.
should out. We're in the night sky, and we won't come down. Make every inch of my body wanna dance with you all night long. Dive in, babe, you know we can't stop this.
And that is it for my third little house. I think it turned out so beautiful. Now I'm going to show you how all three houses look together. Before I move on, I do want to mention that I team up with my friend Kathy from Crafty Kathy to bring you some fun and easy home decor DIYs. I will have the link to her video and her channel down in the description box, so you can definitely go check her out because she is so talented and she did some beautiful home decor. My next project is going to be very easy and simple to do. The best part about this one is that you can use it in so many different ways. So I knew I wanted to do something where I can stand my little houses, and I thought of using 2 of these Dollar Tree wood trays, but the little houses didn't fit, so I did needed to add a third one. Now I did only use hot glue since the houses aren't heavy, but if you are using this for something else, I do recommend you using a wood glue instead of hot glue, or even both.
Come on and show me what you got. 'Cause I don't care if they think
To paint this, I am going to use 3 different things. I'm using the Waverly Antique Wax, the Apple Barrel acrylic paint in black and chestnut, and a little bit of water, which I absolutely love this color. It makes it into like a darker brown, almost black.
we're meant to be falling in love with you. I'll do it again and again and again and again.
So I am going to paint the outside and the inside because you can use this, like I said, in different ways. And look how beautiful this color is. Now the inside, I did make it a little bit lighter just so it can be different. But that is it, guys. And I will be showing you different ways how you can use this. For my next project, it was an inspired one. Now, I did see Bethany Bargain do this, so I'll have the link down in the description box. You can definitely go check her out. But she did this back in February, and I recently seen it again in TikTok, which I don't remember the girl who did it, but I did see it again. So I decided to recreate this. And from the Dollar Tree, I am using 2 of these wood hanging little planks and 2 of the wood crates. Once again, this is very easy and simple to do, and you can use this in so many different ways. So all I did was remove the jute twine from the planks, and then I glued my first crate, and then I glued my second crate just like this. Now, since I'm not adding anything heavy to this, once again, I only use hot glue, but if you're planning to add something heavy, I definitely recommend you using wood glue instead.
With you makes me even lighter. I don't care. Oh yeah. 'Cause every moment
You can definitely fit 3 of these crates with these 2 planks, but I decided to only use 2. Now I'm going to paint this using the same mixture I did, and I'm going to paint the inside to everything because just like the other one, you can use this up or down. Or I mean, upward or backwards. No. Yeah, something like that. But yes, you can use this both ways. And that is it, guys. That is it. This was so easy and simple to do. Now I am going to show you different ways you can use this. And that is it, guys. I hope you guys have enjoyed today's video. Let me know down in the comment section which one was your favorite because I would love to know. And don't forget to go check out Kathy. Let her know I sent you. So thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already. And until next time, bye.